Hi, I'm Stuart and welcome to SIRENNET Television. We've got a product in the studio right now. In fact, it's over there with Chris. We're going to take a look at it. It is a Federal Signal product. It is an MPS300U, and he's going to give us a little chat about it.
Well, thank you, Stuart, and thank you for joining us here on SIRENNET Television. From our friends at Federal Signal, we are proud to offer you a ferocious little lighthead known as the MicroPulse Ultra. The little fixture that I have here in my hand is a 3-diode fixture. It's designed for surface mounting on the exterior or interior of your service vehicle. This little lighthead is ridiculously compact. As you can see, barely 3 inches across, 1 inch tall, and that's it. That's the depth of this lighthead. So as you can see, there is really no restriction and no protrusion when it comes to this little guy. So part number for this wonderful little lighthead, again designed for surface mounting use, it is the MPS300U. And it's available in a variety of different safety colors, so depending on how you are looking to light up your service vehicle, take a look at the drop down that we have to see the different colors. When it comes to these little lightheads, it's very simple for wiring them up. Pigtail on the back to get you started, and it's 3 trigger wires. Neat thing about the MicroPulse is it can work with a 12 volt or a 24 volt electrical system, so you can carry it over to normal equipment or heavy duty equipment. The wiring harness, 3 trigger wires, so we have a ground, a lead that'll be tied into a switch of your choosing or your main siren and lighting controller, and then the yellow wire serves as double duty. So not only does this allow you to change the flash patterns with the MPS300U, there's a total of 18, it's also the trigger wire used to have these little guys talk to each other. So it's a sync wire, and when it comes to the MicroPulse Ultras, you can tie 8 of them together. So thinking about it, you can have the front, the sides, and the back of your vehicle all synchronized for uniform flashing. For wiring these little guys up, as I mentioned, very straightforward. Mount them, run the wires, put them to a switch, and with the flip of your controller, there you have it. This one already tied into power. I'll demonstrate for you now really how easy it is to work with the trigger wires on the back here. Take a set of clips, black to ground, red to the lead trigger, apply power to the switch, and as you can see, nice and bright. Neat thing about these little lightheads is they work just as well when turned vertical as they do for horizontal mounting. So keep that in mind. You can either have it this way or this way when it comes to the orientation. Yellow trigger wire, when you have your flash patterns set, then go ahead, tie the yellows together. So extend them out from lighthead to lighthead. And again, that'll let them communicate. When it comes to adjusting the patterns, before you have all the lightheads tied together, take the yellow, momentarily apply it to a positive 12 volts, and that'll make a single flash pattern adjustment. So again, total of 18 patterns. Continue this process until you've reached the pattern mode that you find to be most effective. And once it's found, simply stop the process of the yellow trigger wire and then tie them together for the sync. So there you have it, a wonderful set of little lightheads from the gang at Federal Signal. Again, it's the MicroPulse Ultra, available from us here at SIRENNET. I'm Chris. Thanks for joining me. Back to you, Stuart.
Well, thanks, Chris. A nice little chat it was too. The product, of course, is available on SIRENNET. Go ahead and check it out. I'm Stuart. You've been watching SIRENNET Television, and as always, thanks for watching.